Hey everyone, Easy Jobs lets you create customized message templates to speed up communication during hiring. Let's find out how it works. From the Easy Jobs dashboard, navigate to the Messages tab in the left-hand panel. Next, proceed to the individual you want to send a message to. Click on the Templates button on the top right. Then, click on the Add button to create a new message template. Enter a title for the template. Now, input the template content. Choose from multiple placeholder options as needed. Once you are done, hit the Add Template button. You will now find the newly created template when you click on the Template button. Click on the message icon at the bottom and select your created template. As you can see, the new template has been added to the message body. Hit the Send button to send the message to the recipient according to the template and its placeholders. That's it. This is how easily you can create customized message templates in Easy Jobs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We wish you an awesome hiring experience.